Check out Chef Jeff in his crazy chef pants, getting ready for a typical meal. He packs up everything in his coolers and loads them into the car. Oh, he makes a stop to give out a keychain and an autographed picture. He arrives at the home, bringing in the coolers, saying hello to the guest, and getting everything set up. He always has a beautiful view. Chef Jeff tells everyone the plan, and they get started making the food. Chef Mark is making some guacamole, and every bit of this meal is made by either Chef Jeff or Chef Mark. Notice how they're putting together this delicious taco bar. There are many treats here. Pulled pork, beef, and chicken, and all the wonderful accompaniments. Here, Chef Jeff is telling all the guests about the items on the bar, and they are enjoying it. They clean up all the items and pack up, even taking the trash out of the way so guests don't have anything to worry about. That's Chef Jeff, the robot.